Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Well, today is Tablescape Tuesday and it is hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So here is my table and I'm going to start with a runner for spring. I had ordered this from Amazon last year. So it's very pretty. I love the different shades of color and the different flowers. Very pretty. And then next I'm going to show you my table setting, which is this white charger, Amazon, this purple plate, Dollar General, and this little dessert plate or salad plate, Amazon. And I'm going to add a little heart candy to it. So my setting for today is going to be spring and a little bit of Valentine's Day. Next, I'm going to be adding the napkins with a little heart saying on each. And I'm going to tie those around the napkin and place them at each of the settings. Okay, next I'm going to add these candles in a little crystal candle holder. And then I'm going to add these pretty pink wine glasses. I have 2 of those for today, so I'm going to place those at each end of the table. So I am going to mix match the wine glasses. Now these are 2 more goblets that are glass that I ordered from Amazon. The pink ones were from Amazon as well. Now I'm going to be adding these forks that I ordered from Amazon. I like the silver and gold on them. Okay, next I'm going to be adding these little potted lavender plants. Those were from the Dollar General. And then my little cloches with some heart-shaped candy in it. And then my little owl salt and pepper shakers. Those were from the Cracker Barrel gift shop. Okay, and here is the centerpiece that I have in a white pitcher. Mainly lavender, purple colors. There's pansies. There's all kinds of flowers in it that's really pretty. I was limited on the amount of tableware that I had that was purple. So I went to the Dollar General and purchased these flowers. So here's an overview of the table for today. I think it turned out really pretty, very springtime. I am so anxious for spring to get here for sure. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Now be sure to check out the playlist and give everyone a nice comment and a like. And I want to thank Anna for hosting this collaboration. And I also would like to say, if you like this kind of content, I would really appreciate you subscribing to my channel. Thank you all for watching and have a blessed day. Bye-bye for now.